I was just looking at my YouTube statistics to see which videos have been most popular in the last year. And now we are going to see which 6 you have been watching most during the last year. I'm also linking all these videos so you can easily go and watch them. YouTube is full of tutorials that show complicated ways of making the magic ring. It should really be one of the easiest things to do when you start crocheting something round. So I'm not surprised that this has become so popular. This is also one of my videos that has most comments that say how they finally understood how to do it. There are about 400 comments and 90% of those say the same thing. It's actually a great feeling knowing that I have helped so many people forward, even though it's just one small detail. Many people struggle with having straight edges in double crochet. I learned this simple trick many years ago, and lots of people have found it useful too. It's the 5th most popular in the last year, and overall not far from 500,000 views. I also have a quick, shorter version of it. Wind spinners really are fun. Crocheted ones were popular in the 70s, and now many people have started making them again. Impossible to know who originally created it. My version has a tip that makes it a bit faster to crochet. The 3rd most popular is this bunny rabbit applique tutorial. Seeing it always brings back lovely memories because I was staying in Portugal the month I made the pattern and the video. There's also a written pattern and crochet chart for the bunny, and you can make 2, sew them together and put some stuffing in to make a toy or hanging decoration. And then the 2nd most popular one is the basic granny square is one of the best known and most used crochet motifs. At first I thought that it wouldn't be worth making a tutorial for it because there already are so many, but I'm glad I did, almost 500,000 views now, and again so many comments about how clear the tutorial is. There are variations to how people crochet the granny square. I like to do the moving from one round to the next, the way I show it on the video. Easiest that way. See also the playlist of other granny square related videos I have. And then, this is the video that has been watched most in the last 365 days. Well over 200,000 times. And this is the one. Joining new yarn in such a way that no weaving in is necessary. There are only 2 videos on my channel that have reached 1 million views over time, and this is one of them. And this one is also the most popular right now. But some time ago I made a newer video about this tip, and it's also popular. I'm actually linking the newer one here, because it stresses better the importance of overlapping the yarns enough, as well as the fact that this tip works equally well in crochet and knitting. This playlist gives you all these videos at one go.